GC Tech is a leading provider of solar power system, which main office is located in Tagum City. GC Tech is registered as Platinum in PhilJEPS and by Philippines Construction Accreditation Board and registered by Department of Energy as Solar Power Designer and Installer. They are the Philippine distributor of MPP solar inverters, which is made in Taiwan. GC Tech is an authorized importer that buys directly from top solar power manufacturers overseas. We distributed solar power system, which involve engineering, supply, and installation. Power generation are composed of the following. 1. Independent Power Provider, or IPPs. 2. Power Sector and Liabilities Management Corporation, or PSALM. This PSALM is owned and controlled by the government entity, created under IPIRA Law on 2021. The power transmission is handled by National Grid Corporation of the Philippines, or called NGCP, which is privately owned. The 60% is owned by Synergy Grid, equally owned by Henry C. Jr. and Robert Coyuto Jr. The 40% is owned by State Grid Corporation of China. Power distribution are the 119 electric distributions, non-stock cooperatives in the Philippines, such as Nordeco, Dasureco, Socoteco, Doreco, and for private sectors are Davao Light, Veco, Meralco, Bohol Light, and more. The Comprehensive Report, under the Philippines Energy Sources, a project with the guidance of the Ateneo School of Government, ASOG, and ASEP Cells, a component of the European Union Philippines Access to Sustainable Energy Program. It shows that solar power system is lagging from Department of Energy target that by 2030, 35% of energy sources must come from renewable energy. On year 2021, a Republic Act No. 11646. Under that law, distribution utilities may engage in the business of MGSPs in unserved and underserved areas, provided that a separate account is maintained for such business undertaking. GC Tech is fully aware that the Philippine government has set the goal of achieving total electrification to eradicate energy poverty. This objective aligns with United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 7, which aims to ensure affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. Under this business model, wireless metering system technology is being integrated by GC Tech to automate the metering system. The GSM-based smart meter have the following features. 1. Anti-theft. The kilowatt-hour shutdown once it detected many types of tampering. 2. Wireless power disconnection using SMS code. 3. Wireless power reconnection using SMS code. 4. Wireless reading the monthly kilowatt-hour consumption. 5. Wireless query using SMS code to determine the daily kilowatt-hour consumption. The smart metering system is composed of a smart meter server where data can be available or accessible via internet. Other components are the smart meters installed in every solar electricity consumers. The solar power system is an integration of power generation using solar power system and the smart metering, electronic billing, and payment system to completely automate the operation. On year 2018, GC Tech created a business model and become an alternative electricity provider using renewable energy like solar power system to energize any residential or commercial industrial establishments as their primary source of power. Using hybrid or grid-tied solar power system will be the primary source of electricity mounted on their rooftop or premises to supply an affordable power with no brownout and guaranteed stable power supply, no low voltage and no power surges that damage equipments and appliances. GC Tech is offering two options for easy acquisition of solar power system. 1. Offering a short-term financing up to 5 years. The after-sale support or warranty is up to 5 years. 2. A 20 years contract with minimal one-time connection fee, and the consumer will be charged based on their monthly energy, kilowatt-hour, consumption, which is always less than 2 pesos against the per kilowatt-hour rate of franchising electric utility. SPS Business Model Flowchart. 1. GC Tech provide recommendation for type of SPS package needed to be installed in applicant premises with options of easy acquisition. 2. Applicant fill up the SPS application and the financing institution conduct CI and inspection. 3. Approved applicant will sign a contract and pay the corresponding service fee, including any down payment. 4. GC Tech shall install the SPS to applicant premises and let the acceptance forms signed by the applicant. 5. Financing entity will pay GC Tech based on the installed SPS package. GC Tech business model is an advocacy in making solar power system available to all provinces in the Philippines as one of the solutions to eradicate energy poverty. This project requires huge financing. To make this solar power system available for everyone, we welcome financial assistance from any financial institutions or local and foreign investors to partner with us in sustaining this project by helping Mother Earth using cleaner electricity. For interested partners, email Xian at gctech.buzz or visit to our corporate office at GC Tech Building, PRK 8C, Curvada, Barangay Magdum, Tagum City, Davao del Norte.